Hello, my name is Fotis Archondovasilis and I am the President of the Executive Board of the Hellenic Association for Endoscopic Surgery and the President of the European Association for Endoscopic Surgery Congress 2026 that it will be held in Athens, Greece. Athens is an exciting and vibrant European capital city that uniquely combines ancient heritage with a modern lifestyle. It's a beautiful, safe and cultural city full of historical monuments, notorious for its hospitality, with the Acropolis at its center, but also with intense cultural activity such as festivals, concerts, theater and art in every corner. It has excellent public transportation with metro, tram, train and bus services that serve residents and visitors perfectly. Its proximity to the sea makes it unique among European capitals, offering beautiful beaches and clean coastlines ideal for summer getaways. Culture is vibrant and deep, with world-class museums, while its cuisine is exceptional, from traditional Greek flavors to creative contemporary cuisine. Athens is not just a city, it is an experience full of light, history and life. Dear colleagues and friends, it is with great pleasure, honor and anticipation that I invite you to the 34th EAES Congress that will take place between 23 and 26 of June 2026 in Athens, Greece. Our city will host a truly inspiring congress that celebrates surgical innovation, research, surgical excellence and international collaboration. We look forward to welcoming you to a program filled with hands-on sessions, workshops, masterclasses, world-class speakers and the opportunity to exchange knowledge with peers from around the world. Join us in June 2026 at the iconic Megaron Athens International Conference Centre, just steps away from ancient landmarks and the Aegean breeze. See you in Athens.